Welcome everybody to my art room. Today I'm going to do a dip and I'm going to use some metallic paints. I've just spread some blues and whites on this canvas. So I'm going to use a phthalo green. It's by Winsor Newton. I'm going to put this down first, and I was trying to remember. No, I'm just going to do circles, I guess. So this phthalo green. I'm trying to think. Phthalo green, pearl green, and gold. I'm going to stick with some greens. So I've got the phthalo green, and I've got this Craft Smart metallic paint. It's Sea Mist Pearl. I don't have it in a little bottle, so I'm going to have to I'll use the end of a I don't have much left of this. This is just a, I think it's 6x6 canvas. And I use some gold. This is just Gold by Basics. Is it Basics or Artist Loft? That's Basics. Yeah, it's Basics. And I got some white metallic. I have this new rustoleum paint that I'm going to try. Can't get the lid out this. It's rustoleum metallic, and it's for walls, trims, furniture, and more. So you can use it for anything. It's a pearly color, pearly white. I've mixed all my paints with floetrol. I'm just going to repeat this, and then that should be enough. Green. I'll use this again. Some gold. Some of the pearl. A little bit of this green again. Just put a drop of this in the middle. Put a drop of gold on top. think I need to go around one more time. I love these little bottles. I'm going to do the gold on the outside. See how that comes out. All right. See how this turns out. I have some plastic. I'm going to have to cut this. It's just a white garbage bag. Kitchen garbage bag. Just letting it drop. Giving it a little nudge as it goes down. Beautiful. Oh my. I don't even see a bubble. I'm going to have to use this type of plastic again. Wow. So all I need to do is smooth this a little bit. Awesome. All right. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to turn this around. And I flip it over. I'm going to tape down the sides. Take out the air bubbles, but I can do that after I lift. Okay. It's easy when it's a small canvas. Whoops, shouldn't have moved it. Look how pretty. Oh. It's awesome. Got a few little cells. I was wondering if there would be more reaction from the metallic. Very cool. More gold came out on this side. I love it. There you go. I'll put the dried results at the end. Hope you like this one. Give it a try. It's not really as hard as it looks. As long as you have your paint consistency good and mixed right with some floetrol or whatever pouring medium you like to use. Take your time. Anyway, comment below. Tell me what you think. And if you're new here, please subscribe. All right. Have a great day, everybody. Bye-bye. Hi. Here's the dried result of my little turquoise dip. Dried really nice. Pretty colors. The blue around the edges, I love it. There you go. All right. Have a great day, everybody. Bye-bye.